Okay guys, we're going to go afternoon walk with Ramsey and Jules. Yoo-hoo! Woo!
Ramsey, come. Ramsey.
This is Ramsey with green collar, light green, and Chillers with brown collar. Hoy! Ulat! Na energetic lagi siya ma. With brown, light brown collar. Wait, you cannot see it. There.
Sige, mo gawas sa banig. Siguro banig gawas o. Kana emote, antigo mo gawas eh.
We're gonna lock the gate so that they cannot come out. Yeah. Hala! Where are you going? We're going underneath the car. Tambutso. Ali. And this is Chillers the dog. This is me, the owner. He's cute. Yeah. Run! The concrete ramp. Something. Hoy! Bawal lagi ka dere. Why he keeps on going here? He's a boy. Lick the camera. Adugi, kapuin na. Ayaw lagi. Do not go in there, okay? Do not go.
Makaon.
Run!
Makaon. Na, bubuy ka na isa na yun. Nakatawa, pero wala na. Magkatilid na mo dagan.
Dili lagi ha, do not. If you want to see, let's go. That's the room over there. Right there. Come on. Let's go inside now, okay? So guys, it's all of the dog adventure. So yeah.